Hello world, welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul. We're all loaded, ready to go. You'll notice she's not running this morning, but I already warmed her up downstairs. I brought her up here to load. We're heading for Pakistan today. I'm very excited. Pakistan's been on my list for a long time, northern Pakistan. Well, I can talk about it all the time, or I can go and show you. Let's go. Well, Mr. Google told me, no thanks mate, no thank you, no. Mr. Google told me 9 o'clock, but it's actually 10 o'clock the border opens, but that's all right. I'll sit here and have a cup of chai, maybe half. A guide right here who's taken me to Pakistan. He's such a happy kid, just hasn't stopped smiling since I met him. He's been my guide since I got here. Indian visa is there. Thank you. Pakistan Zindabad. I'm very excited, my friend.
Okay, welcome to Pakistan.
You need to see my Pakistan visa. It's in here.
No.
Yeah, it's in, okay.
No.
That's leaving today, yes.
Okay.
Thank you, my friend. Immigration and customs. Woohoo, I'm happy. So guys, from the Indian border opening to being cleared into Pakistan, an hour and 20 minutes. I'm very happy, guys. This was really professionally done compared to the other experiences I've had. Everyone is so friendly here. Everyone's shaking my hand and smiling and waving. Look at that. That's just an example of what I've experienced in the last half an hour. Oh guys, I'm running around. Zong is supposed to be the best SIM card for Pakistan, and everyone agrees with that, but the Zong franchises can't give foreigners SIM cards, so I'm trying to find the Zong head office, which, oh guys, everyone's sending me in different directions, but I'll find it. But that's what I'm doing today, trying to get a SIM card, and then I get tattooed this afternoon. Oh guys, that was fun. No Google Translate, no Google Maps. But I think I found the head office. Quite a few times in India, hotels made me park in these really, well, not secure places because I was in a motorbike. And I'd say to them, but I'm paying the same as the person in a car. Why don't I get a car park? Look what they've given me here, my first hotel in Pakistan. I was parked over with the motorbikes before, and the manager said, no, sir, please come here. And they blocked off this car park just for me, guys. I really like Pakistan. So guys, here we are at Sparkling Tattoos in Pakistan. This is Faiez. We're getting my Pakistan tattoo. I'm being interviewed for Pakistani news. So my first television interview, thanks to Siam. I should be on Pakistani TV at about 10 o'clock tonight. Amazing. I didn't think this was going to be happening this morning. Thank you very much, guys.
Thank you, Paul, for coming. Thank you.
And this seems like it might just be the beginning. I might be doing a few morning shows and things. It's exciting, very exciting. Morning, guys. I just had my second night in Pakistan. Now I'm just going to explain. I've skipped a lot of the India series. I'm going to replay that after the Pakistan series because it looks like I might be getting a lot of television coverage here in Lahore, and when the Pakistani people check my channel I want them to see Pakistani content. But don't worry, I will be continuing the India series. I've got 9 videos all ready to go. As soon as I leave Pakistan I'll start the India series again. So today I've got a few things to do. Oh, hello, how are you? Yes, this is one of the managers from this amazing hotel. So today I've got a few things to do, but I'm going to have a haircut so I look good on TV. And thank you very much. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Well guys, we rode across Lahore. We're at the other side of Lahore now. But this tower over here is the Minar-e-Pakistan. I'll get more information on that for you. And here is the Badshahi Mosque, which is, I believe, the most important mosque in Lahore. We'll be seeing a lot of mosques over this Pakistan series. Okay guys, this impressive looking tower here is the Minar-e-Pakistan. They started building it in 1960, took 8 years to build, and this is the site where the Lahore Resolution was signed. And that Lahore Resolution, which is now known as the Pakistan Resolution, was the agreement that Pakistan would be separated from India for the Muslims of British India.
Hello.
So, hello.
How are you?
Salam alaikum. I'm just visiting your amazing city. I love Pakistan. Everyone, look at these. Everyone's smiling, happy. It's an amazing, amazing country. I love Pakistan.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Can I love Pakistan? Everything.
Goodbye, my friends.
Bye. Everything is.
National Circus in the grounds, but it doesn't look like it's open. And this one looks like a wall of death, where they ride. Oh no, these guys drive cars around it. Wow, I've seen this many times with motorbikes, but this is the first, but it's not open, guys, so we won't be seeing cars driving around a wall today. And guys, this is the Badshahi Mosque in Walled City. I'm trying to find the entrance to it now so we can go in and have a look. Again, this was built by the Afghani Mughals. They started building in 1671. It's incredible, guys. They were amazing architects all over India, Pakistan. Just some incredible stuff, as you've seen with me. Well, guys, this is the entrance to the fort and the mosque, but they tried confiscating my GoPros. I got their helmet cam in my bag as well today, but yeah, I can't be doing that. But Google Badshahi Mosque, you'll see some incredible photos. It is an amazing bit of architecture. I know the GoPro's not doing it justice from the outside, but I'm going to head off to try and find a haircut so I can look even prettier on television. And I picked the right day to be exploring, guys. It's a Sunday, hardly any traffic, very few people here. All the touts are on to me. Come and have the milkshakes there. They're just doing their job, but what I want's the soda water, which I can't find. It's really weird how in India, every single roadside little stall has soda water, but in Nepal and Pakistan, it's almost impossible to find. Guys, this really is an amazing piece of architecture. I'm a bit upset that I couldn't get in. I really don't understand it, guys. Like everyone's out with their phones filming, but you're not allowed to take a camera. But Look at this, and you can see the people in the, I don't know if you can, but you can see people in the sort of arches there to show how big everything is.
5K.
So this, some more people wanting selfies everywhere here. Look how happy everyone is. Everyone in Pakistan is smiling and welcoming. I love this country. Well, I was lucky, guys. It's a Sunday. I didn't think I'd find a hairdresser at barbers on a Sunday, but here I am getting cleaned up for television.
दुनिया कैसी दिखती है, दिन कैसे हैं, शामें कैसी हैं। ऑस्ट्रेलियावी सियाह ज़िंदगी इंजॉय करने निकल पड़ा। पाल ने लाहौरियों की मेहमान नवाजी को कैसा पाया, मेहमान सियाह की कहानी सुनिए उन्हीं की ज़ुबानी।
57 साला ऑस्ट्रेलियावी सियाह ने चंद माह कबल हैवी बाइक पर दुनिया की सैर का आगाज किया। बहुत सारे ममालिक देखे, पड़ोसी मुल्क भारत भी गए, अमृतसर से होते हुए लाहौर में एंट्री दी।
I love Pakistan, an incredible country, one of my favourites I've visited in all the world. India, I crossed the border from Amritsar yesterday morning.
पॉल कहते हैं दुनिया तो बहुत घूमी मगर लाहौर जैसा शहर नहीं देखा। ये अमन का शहर है, मोहब्बत के गीत गाता है, थक जाऊं तो अपनी बाहों में सुलाता है, भूख लगे तो मजेदार खाने भी खिलाता है। ऑस्ट्रेलियावी मेहमान ने DHA में डेरे डाले हैं। वो जहां भी जाते हैं यादगार के तौर पर उस मुल्क का टैटू अपने जिस्म पर जरूर बनवाते हैं।
Every tattoo on this arm is from a different country and has some meaning to that country. So for me it's a memory. I can look at that tattoo and remember my visit to Chile.
पॉल की अगली मंजिल शुमाली इलाका जात है। वो वापस लाहौर आएंगे, यहीं से अपने सफर को यादगार बनाएंगे। कैमरामैन नदीम के साथ साइम खान, सिटी न्यूज़ नेटवर्क।
Well, that was an exciting few days. I got to return to Lahore in a couple of weeks. So after I've travelled, seen a bit of this country, they're going to try and get me on some morning shows and a few other news programs so I can tell them what I really think of Pakistan. Just amazing, guys. That was pure luck. Really, really lucky that was. But I've got plenty of footage to make a video, so if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that mad dog icon up there or the subscribe button down below. May as well hit that bell icon while you're down there. I always try and respond to your comments, so leave a comment, give me a big thumbs up, share this video everywhere you can. We'll see you in the next one.